Seems like no matter what project you're working on, it's always rush, rush, rush. You get an idea, you get it right, get it made, get it to market before someone else does. It's all about time, which is why you should know about ProtoLabs. They make real parts faster than anyone else in the world. Now, maybe you're wondering what's the difference between ProtoLabs and everyone else who says they're fast. Well, the difference is that unlike the other guys, ProtoLabs has automated standard manufacturing processes to make real parts from 3D CAD models, saving tons of time.
The tooling is less expensive and the timing of getting the tooling is faster.
Late at night, I'll work till night, sometimes 10, 11, 12 o'clock at night. I'll send a file in and I'll get it right back, so they're really fast.
ProtoLabs can either CNC machine or injection mold your parts, whether you need just one or several thousand for prototypes or low volume runs. And you can get them in as little as 1 business day, so you've got time on your side.
I think the quickest turn, on one file is we gave them the parts on a Friday evening, and by Monday they had parts shipped.
So how do they do it? The key is patented software that runs on a huge compute cluster. And we are talking huge. With over 2 trillion operations per second, it would have been the world's fastest computer just a few years ago. ProtoLabs uses this vast computing power to manufacture your parts incredibly fast. Let's say you're designing a part. You upload your 3D CAD file at ProtoLabs. The cluster automatically analyzes your design, generates an interactive quote, and delivers it back to you in hours, not days. The quote is helpful in a lot of ways. If there are aspects of your design that might cause trouble with manufacturing or the finished part, your quote will point those problems out. You can also try changing things like material, surface finishes, quantities, lead time, and other stuff, and immediately see how that affects pricing.
Go online, you've already got your files in SolidWorks, upload those, add your part number, rev number, fire them off. Usually within a couple hours you've got a quote to deal with. By the way, the bottom line you see on your quote is the real price, not a guesstimate, so you know for sure what it's going to cost. As soon as you give the go-ahead, ProtoLabs is off and running. Because its processes are so highly automated, ProtoLabs can do in days, even hours, what can take weeks at other places. For instance, the cluster generates all CNC machine tool paths directly from your 3D CAD model. Unlike so-called rapid prototyping processes, which give you very limited, non-standard material options, ProtoLabs uses real engineering resins. ProtoLabs' entire operation is dedicated to ultra-high-speed prototyping and short-run production. The result? Real parts. CNC machined or injection molded, faster than anyone else in the world. The ability to get rapid iterations in a day or two, that we can iterate a number of times versus a couple weeks for an SLA or something else, allows us to really get to that final product.
You can't get it faster and you can't get it at a more reasonable price.
With plants in North America, Europe, and Japan, ProtoLabs is changing the game for designers and engineers around the world. From 3D CAD files to real functional parts. In as little as 1 business day. ProtoLabs. Real parts. Really fast.